Today, I'm going to show you how to fix problems with the Windows Update KB5029244. If you're seeing an error that says there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later, and the error code is 0x80070490, then this video is for you. This issue usually happens when there is a problem with the update components or when your system files are damaged. We're going to go step by step to fix this. First, go to the search bar near the Start menu. Type in Troubleshoot. From the search results, click on Troubleshoot Settings. Now in the window that opens, scroll down and click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the option called Windows Update. It should be under the Most Frequent section. Click the Run button next to it. The troubleshooter will start scanning your system for issues related to Windows Update. This might take a few minutes. Let it run, and once it's done, follow any instructions it gives you. If it finds and fixes a problem, restart your computer and try to install the update again. If that doesn't work, we'll try something else. Go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Now we're going to run a system file check. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: sfcscannow. Make sure there is a space between sfc and the slash. Then press Enter. This will start a scan of your system files. It will check to see if any files are missing or damaged and will try to fix them. This process can take several minutes, so please be patient and let it finish. Once it's done, you should see a message telling you what it found. If it fixed anything, close the Command Prompt window. Now restart your computer. After the restart, go back and try installing the update again. These steps usually solve the problem for most users. If the issue still happens after this, there may be more serious system problems or update conflicts. But for most cases, using the troubleshooter and the system file checker will fix it. Thanks for watching.